Hi! In this video, we start with a list of random numbers and rearrange them into descending order using bubble sort, also known as sinking sort. The idea behind this sorting algorithm is to go through the list and swap adjacent elements when they are in the wrong order. This way, the larger values will bubble to the top and the smaller values will sink to the bottom. If you would like to think about the implementation for a few moments, this is a good time to pause the video. Okay, so this is how the algorithm looks like in words. Go through the indexes of the list, swap neighboring elements if they are in the wrong order, create an auto loop to repeat the above process as many times as there are elements in the list. Sounds easy enough? Let's start typing. I will start with the bubbling process. I will go through all the indexes of the list and swap elements if they are in the wrong order. If the i-1 element is bigger than the ith element, then let's swap them. And here we go. Now let's print the list to make sure we are at the right place. Let's run the code, and as you can see, 8 has bubbled to the top. Now let's take a look at this with the debugger to make sure it works the way we expected it to work. So we are starting the iteration, comparing 8 and 7, and 8 and 7 swapped, then 4 and 8 swapped, then 5 and 8 swapped, so 8 bubbles to the top. And we are done with this loop, and the process result we have already seen in the console. Okay, so now all we need to do is repeat this process as many times as there are elements in the list. I will use another loop, another for loop for this, the exact same loop, the exact same construct that I use for the bubbling process itself. And to make things a little bit easier to follow, I also add the iteration number to the print statement. Here we go. Let's take a look at this in the console. And as you can see, first 8 bubbles to the top, that's no change. Then 7 follows, 5 follows, 4 follows, and the list is sorted. This is it. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Goodbye.